Good morning, Is it afternoon? Yeah, afternoon.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us. We're glad that you're back. I'm Steve.
You sound like you're retired. And I'm Scott.
And together we're Backyard Musings, the Science and Technology channel.
Yep. And this afternoon we're talking about a health topic, which is a good one. This is something that may help people with type 2 diabetes and obesity, which kind of go hand in hand. Not always, but kind of. So, yeah, let's talk about this. This is a good story.
Okay, a new Trojan horse weight loss drug sneaks extra metabolic power into cells and delivers striking results in mice. Researchers at Helmholtz Munich have developed a new drug strategy that could improve treatment for obesity and type 2 diabetes. Led by metabolism scientist Professor Timo D. Müller, the team created a hybrid molecule that uses the GLP-1 GIP signaling pathway as a kind of gateway into cells. Once inside, the molecule delivers an additional metabolic compound directly to targeted cells. Would you like to know more?
In experiments involving mice, we love the mice, the treatment reduced food intake, produced greater weight loss, and improved blood glucose levels compared with existing reference therapies. The findings were reported in the journal Nature.
Yeah, just imagine if you mix this with cannabis. I mean, you could really lose a lot of weight, right?
And if you didn't care.
Current incretin-based treatments, which mimic the body's natural satiety and blood sugar signals, GLP-1, GIP, have already transformed obesity and type 2 diabetes care. Even so, scientists continue searching for ways to make these medications more effective.
One possible strategy is adding drugs that improve insulin sensitivity, helping glucose move from the bloodstream into tissues more efficiently. The problem is that many of these compounds spread throughout the body rather than targeting specific cells, which can increase unwanted side effects. I don't want to know what the side effects are, and we don't need anything targeting other than the specifics. So they need to dial that in, right?
Right. Quote, our guiding question was, how can we enhance incretin activity? I'm going to spell that out, INCRETIN, incretin activity without creating a second systematically active source of side effects, says study leader Timo D. Müller, director of the Institute for Diabetes and Obesity at Helmholtz Munich, professor of the Ludwig Maximilian University of Munich, and researcher at the German Center for Diabetes Research.
I see, he's a busy guy.
Yeah.
To address this challenge, the researchers designed what they call an address label with cargo. They chemically linked a known incretin-based compound with another drug called lanifibranor, which is classified as a pan-PPAR agonist, whatever the heck that is.
The incretin portion attaches to GLP-1 or GIP receptors on the cell surface, allowing the hybrid molecule to enter the cell. Once inside, the second component activates PPARs, which act as genetic switches involved in regulating fat and sugar metabolism. The goal is to concentrate these added metabolic effects specifically in GLP-1R and GIPR, expressing cells instead of throughout the entire body.
The new molecule acts on 5 different drug targets simultaneously. It activates 2 receptors on the cell surface, GLP-1R and GIPR, while also engaging 3 PPAR switches inside the cell nucleus. Did you just read that one? Or?
No.
Oh, okay.
I don't think so. No.
You're talking about the same.
Okay. Müller compares the process to a Trojan horse. The incretin component opens the door to the cell, while the cargo only becomes active after entering. A major advantage is the amount, says Müller, quote, because the second component is not administered separately and systematically, but travels along with the incretin part. It can be used at a dose that is orders of magnitude lower.
According to the researchers, this targeted delivery may increase effectiveness without increasing side effects caused by widespread exposure throughout the body.
The hybrid therapy produced strong results in mice with diet-induced obesity. Quote, the animals ate less and lost more weight than under a GLP-1 GIP co-agonist without cargo, says Dr. Daniela Liskovitz, group leader at IDO and co-first author together with Dr. Aaron Novikov. In the head-to-head comparisons shown, the effect was in part even stronger than with a GLP-1 only drug.
Okay, so that's that statement up there. The animals ate less and lost more weight than under a GLP-1 program. So GLP, that's the big star right now, right?
Ozempic, yeah.
Yeah. So I wonder if the developers of GLP-1 or Ozempic or some of the other brands, they're looking at this saying, hey, we probably don't like that, right?
Yeah, it's a competitor.
Yeah. The findings suggest the combination does more than simply add another mechanism. Instead, it appears to strengthen incretin activity itself, at least in animal studies. The treatment's effects extended beyond body weight. Researchers observed improved blood glucose control and signs that insulin function became more effective. In simple terms, which I always love, insulin appeared better able to move glucose from blood into tissues, while the liver released less glucose into the circulation. Okay.
The team also reported that gastrointestinal side effects were similar to those seen with existing incretin therapies. In the measures examined, they did not observe signs of fluid retention or anemia, two concerns linked to the added drug component.
The mouse data also hinted at possible benefits for heart and liver health. That's a good thing too.
Yeah.
However, the scientists emphasize that this remains a preclinical study, and it is still unclear whether the same results will occur in humans. Again, find a human that's willing to raise their hand and say, I'll be your guinea pig, I'll be your mouse, whatever. One reason for caution is that the GIP receptor functions differently in mice and people. Okay.
Quote, we see a principle with strong effects in the animal model. Now the task is to optimize the approach for humans and move it towards the clinic, says Müller. He adds that advancing the therapy toward clinical use will require support from industry partners. So give me your money.
Yep.
That's what he's saying. Deutschmarks, euros, or dollars. He'll take it.
They'll take whatever. Yeah, whatever can spend. So, okay. Catch everybody tomorrow morning.
We'll see you.
Take care, everyone. Have a good night.